So hello everyone, welcome back to my new video, and this video is gonna be quite more interesting since today we have visited Tirupati, and in this video Krishna is not alone since along with Krishna Shiv is also here.
Hi guys.
Okay, and
Pleasure to meet you all.
in the morning we have left our hostel around at 9 a.m. and we have our train at 11:30. So friends, before reaching here, before planning to visit Tirupati temple, we have found a lot of video in YouTube, but in none of the videos they have discussed how to climb the stairs. But we have two type of stairs, two different ways if you are planning to climb stairs. One is Alipuri and another name is something starting with S. In most of the videos in YouTube, I have found they have discussed about tickets only, how to buy tickets, how to reach there, how to do darshan with tickets. So for whom this video is for? So basically, if you are planning to visit Tirupati by climbing stairs, and if you haven't bought any tickets, if you have planned to visit Tirupati immediately and you don't have any tickets, so this video is mainly for those guys. So since we are students studying in Amritsar Vishwavidyapeetham in Bangalore, and if you are also students like us or youth like us just from nearby place and want to just visit to Tirupati, so this video can be basically mainly for them. So currently we are in the base of Alipuri Hills, just departing from the station, railway station. We just reached station at nearly 5:30. So just departing from the station, we had our dinner in something like it was Punjabi hotel. You can find many restaurants, many hotels there on the way, and in most of the hotels you will find there Punjabi hotel, Punjabi dhaba, and something like that, Chinese food items and something North Indian. But I'm not sure how genuine they are. But we took our dinner on something happy restaurant, right? It was happy restaurant. And so from after having dinner, we found many buses, and some people were telling that we have free bus service to reach to the Tirumala directly to Tirupati temple, but we haven't found that bus. So we took and most importantly, most of the autos, they were asking us to pay 100 and 150 just to reach the base of this Alipuri Hills, but it is just 2.9 or 3.4 kilometer from there, just 3.4, nearly 3 kilometer. So luckily, thanks to the technology, we have Ola and Uber. We searched there in Ola and Uber, we found the found their auto, and just cost us 40 to two guys. We are two in the group, so we just cost us 40. So finally they left us just at the gate of the Alipuri Hills. So friends, this is the gate of Alipuri Hills. You can see here, and every day it is closed at 10 p.m. at night. So just behind the Alipuri Hills, you can find the luggage center where you can deposit the luggage. If you have luggage, obviously it will be heavy for you guys to carry to the hills. And since in Alipuri Hills we have altogether more than 3,550, nearly 3,500 steps, and I have told you earlier about one more stair site, about one more way. So in that way, I think there is 2,400 to 2,500 steps, but I am not sure and I don't know anything about that. And in this video, I will be explaining you only about my journey and how can you reach there. So if you are following this way, so you can take our video as a guide. So this video can be much more helpful for you guys. So in the way, it might be not possible to record each and everything. So you can see here. Let's show them.
So the people are gathering.
So due to some security reasons, just before few days or few months, I heard that some tiger were there and they attacked some people and child also on the way. That's why security is quite more strict nowadays. People need to gather here. Once all the people get gathered, at least in the group of 20 to 30, then only the police will allow us to climb the stairs. That's why we are gathering here, and we thought this is the best place to tell you everything, to explain you everything about journey. And so finally, coming to our point, so we deposit our luggage there and they provide us one token, right? So we took that token, and they told that once we will finish climbing all the stairs, we will get our luggage back there only. So this is our journey till now, and currently we have just walked for few stairs, maybe 30 or 40, and on the way we have found 2-3 more temples, and 1 or 2 temples are closed also since it is night time. So be with us. I will be trying to give you more detailed information, and I hope this video will be obviously more informative for you guys if you are planning to visit Tirupati with stairs. And it was mentioned in those boards that the children and the people with hot or long disease are strictly not allowed to climb those stairs. Now you can see, I think it's time to start our journey from here. So friends, you can see here, currently we are climbing the stairs, and you can see in my backside, it's totally dark since it's night time. You can see it's totally dark. Okay, let me show you from the back camera. Okay, you can see this big rock on the way, and this is the jungle area which is surrounded by this boundary. You can see that green boundary, and this is Alipuri Hills. We are climbing through Alipuri Hills, and that's the way. Some people are glowing that diyas on the way in each and every step. So if you want, you can also. So this is the way. As you can see here, all the steps are beautifully covered with this red and yellow chandan. So obviously you can walk with barefoot as well, since your feet won't get hot during the climb, and this will add comfort to your journey during your climb. And you can see here, there is one notice, दवा खाना गाली गोपुरम का पास है. So if you are feeling any difficulty here in the way, you can get in touch with them. You can see the slope of the stairs. Seriously, but we have already passed more than 1,000 steps. So you can see, guys, this auntie, she is more than nearly 45 years old, and still she has that much courage to climb.
Auntie.
I'll kill you.
Okay. So do you have any words for us, like for the youngster who wanted to visit Tirupati?
Yeah, definitely it's a place worth to visit. And if possible, come by footsteps.
But auntie, few of our friends, they cancelled the trip because of these stairs only.
No, we'll go back. We'll say our experience. It might impress them, influence them. Then come back. If you show my face, I'll kill both of you.
Okay. So guys, you can see there we have already climbed 1600 steps, and currently we have tired totally. We are feeling hot a lot, and you will get place for refreshment as well in middle, and there is a lot of shops where you can buy cold drinks and snacks for you, and there is arrangement for water, also drinking water. You can find taps in middle of maybe 100 and 150 steps, maybe 100 and 200 steps. So you can see this. You can find a lot of place for refreshment. Okay, I will show you some hotels where you can have your meals. You can see there. So you can see currently it's 10 p.m. in the night, and you can see there this is the place for drinking water. So friends, after climbing more than, I think maybe more than 1800 steps, we are told here to sit here again, because since this is a preserved place, this is a wildlife reserve protected by Andhra government, so there may be more fear of tigers and some wildlife animals. That's why we are told here to stay here only, and after some time, maybe after half an hour, they will allow us from here. So you can see this. Please don't feed wildlife.
అక్కడ దారి ఏం లేదు. వేరే ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ చెప్పాలా, అంబులెన్స్ పంపిస్తాం స్వామి. ఎవరు హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా స్వామి? గోవిందా
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 గోవిందా గోవిందా గోవిందా గోవిందా
గోవిందా
గోవిందా
గోవిందా.
అందరూ జాగ్రత్త వెళ్ళండి స్వామి.
After finishing all the stairs, here you can see after finishing all the stairs, we came here finally, and this is the road. So if you are traveling with a bus, you will be moving with this road only. So finally we need to walk by this road. So currently the time is 12 at the midnight. Now let's see where we will get time for darshan. So friends, you can see we are at the final stage, and these are the last steps I heard, and not only the last, most difficult steps also. So guys, you can see the slope of these stairs, and since it is the last stage, so most of the people are trying to climb with their knees as much as possible. You can see here. So you can see after climbing all those stairs, 3515 steps, you can see we are here, and now we are planning to offer our hair to Lord Tirupati. So after walking for few minutes, we got this luggage center where we got our bag, which we had deposited at the bottom of the hills. So you can see this luggage center. So friends, once you start climbing the stairs, you can get a lot of people around you, even in night time. And also, there is not much diversion in the road. So once you start climbing the stairs, you can easily reach here. So we have asked one of the people sitting here, where can we offer our hair? So he told just to go straight, you will find there. So you can see we have hotel even at the night 1 a.m. All the hotels are open. So here, this is the building where there is free locker facility, where there is a facility for bathroom, toilet free of cost, and where you can also stay there. And in the same building we have Kalyan Katta, where you can offer your hair. So guys, after offering our hair, we reached to this special entrance gate. So if you have purchased token of 300, then only you can enter through this gate. And since we don't have token, we haven't purchased any token. So after asking for few people, we got to know that there is one special bus service, free bus service, which will take us to the next gate, where people without token can enter through that gate. So this is the entrance gate for those people without any token, without any ticket. So after walking for a few minutes, we need to submit our mobile phones and everything here, and we need to wait inside the compartments. So it depends on the crowd, after how much time we will get our turn for darshan.
Shri Venkatesha Govinda, Bhaktavatsala Govinda, Bhagavata Priya Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Nilakshama Govinda, Purana Purisha Govinda, Pundarikaksha Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Nandanandana Govinda, Navanita Chora Govinda, Kushapalaka Shri Govinda, Vimochana Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Govinda Hari Govinda, Venkatamana Govinda, Srishtapalaka Govinda, Ashtanivarana Govinda, Kushtasamhara.
So friends, finally you got darshan, and immediately after stepping out of the temple, you will get an arrow directing you to the Tirupati Prasadam. So following that arrow, you can reach to the spot where Tirupati Laddu will be distributed. So with each free token, you will get one laddu free of cost, and for every extra laddu you need to pay 50 rupees for laddu. And I'm not sure about that paid token. Obviously you will be getting more laddu with that paid token. You can just see the size of the laddu. Each laddu will be 170 to 210 gram in weight. So you can explore more places near the temple surrounding areas, and we got on museum just near the temple, but unfortunately this museum got closed as the maintenance work was going on inside. You can see this is the museum. So finally we came to the same place where we have offered our hair to take our bag, as we have kept our bag here itself in locker. So you can see the crowd here during the afternoon time. So if you are also planning to visit the temple, plan accordingly, as you can see the crowd. So this is the place in this building called as Kalyan Katta, where you can get token for offering your hair. This is the place. So friends, finally we have got our darshan of Lord Tirupati Balaji, and currently the time is 9 a.m. in the morning, and I think we are lucky enough. It did not take even more than 3 hours for us to get darshan. Maybe because it is not much more crowd. We have heard that in the month of September, October and November it's too crowded here. Even more than 1 lakh visitors visit this temple. So in those months, we are visiting in those months, it will be obviously too much crowded. And currently we are too tired since we have climbed the stairs whole night, and even we have not had breakfast also. So currently we are too tired, and this is our whole journey. Hope you like our video, and this video is more informative. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.